Okay, so let me give you a topic for group discussion and write the name of the topic. So the topic is perils of PERIL, perils of online education for children. Perils of online education for children. Peril, PERIL, peril means danger or disadvantages. Perils of online education for children. Just give yourself 30 seconds and then we start it. Okay, so I think we can start it now. Kaushik, can we start from you?
Yes, sir. No problem. So should I start right now?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
So should I go ahead?
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. Kaushik, can you hear me?
Kaushik Sarkar, I am very glad that I got this opportunity to initiate discussion. Today's discussion topic is perils of online. Sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, I'm starting from the beginning, sir. I think I was good morning, everyone. My name is Kaushik Sarkar, and I'm very glad that I got this opportunity to initiate the discussion. Today's topic is the perils of online education for the children. And I think it is a topic which bears high relevance and it's a very sensitive issue. And as we know, due to the pandemic that we are suffering for the two waves, the mode of online mode of education has system from the offline and to the online, and every particular sect and every particular age group has adjusted to it, whether we like it or not. But the one particular age group that is most significantly affected and the difficulties which have been faced by them is most profound is the children. Now, on this note, I think we can categorize the discussion into two primary challenges. One being the health issues that is associated with it. We know that viewing the computer screen or mobile screen for too long is not good for the adult or anybody who is of grown age, and this is much more significant for the children. And there are many other physiological challenges associated with it, for like sitting at a particular place for a long time. Then comes the issue face difficulty to catch particular points that are broadcasted on your television or your or mobile screen, and this issue gets much more amplified when it is when it's coming to the children. And then we need to also consider the third point is that access to online platforms is not equal even for the adults. With that being said, I would like to invite you all to express your opinions on this topic.
Okay, Vaibhav.
Good morning, sir. My name is Vaibhav. I'm glad that I start the discussion. Today's topic of our discussion is parallel of online education. As due to the pandemic, we have facing so much problem. One of the problem that our school and colleges got stopped, so we have to alternate another way to study. So in this situation, online learning is got famous and it's attain a peak. So there is due to the technology, we online learning got a quality education. So there are some disadvantages of the first one is the continuous watching through mobile or laptop got our eyes or ear got damaged. The computer got the harmful radiation got affected on eyes. The second one is that we are continuously sitting on one place. In offline classes, we have to move our body or some kind of exercise is done, but in online, we continuously moving. Our back pain got effect. Our platform form affected, and that's I think this is the point we should discuss, and it's greatly affected our body. So I am joining all of you to give me some point on this. Thank you.
Okay, I think Bhargavi. And let me tell you, the topic is perils, PERIL, perils of online education for children. Yeah. Bhargavi.
Hello everyone, this is Bhargavi. I'm glad that I got this opportunity to initiate the discussion. The topic given is perils of online education. In my opinion, this topic is quite interesting and important. I think that this topic can be classified into three categories. That is health. due to long hours of screen time, the health and due to lack of physical activity, the health is deteriorating. And the second point is mental behavior. Most of the children are forgetting how to communicate and how to socialize with other people. And the third one is, even though the online education is good and with many provisions, some provisions like lab equipment, some physical experiments, we can't be done on online. So with these 3 points, I open the house for discussion.
Okay, I think now Ritvik.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, friends. Myself, I'm Ritvik. I'm glad to initiate the discussion. I got the opportunity to initiate the discussion. And friends, the topic given to us is perils of online education. Yeah, I agree to the topic, perils of online education. Yeah, there are people who are being in danger due to this situation, especially for the children. They have been continuously using the mobile or some electronic devices to watch the education. Well, technology has been developed to extend, like we have been getting access for every courses and all through education. I feel, according to me, it has been a demerit for some children who have been using continuously the mobile while they have getting their many health issues, mental issues. And I feel we all will have some very good points to add for this, and we will come to a conclusion whether this is a whether how can we overcome the situation and present situation.
Okay. Now, Galaxy, what is your name?
Sir, I think it's Saurabh Bhattacharya. Is
Saurabh,
it
go
my?
ahead. Saurabh, go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, friends. I am Saurabh Bhattacharya. Today's topic of discussion is perils of online education for children. This is a very relevant topic for nowadays because due to this COVID pandemic, we are forced to use this online mode of education unwillingly. So, I want to classify and discuss this topic into two major subparts. One is the academic and another second is non-academic. So in case of academic situation, the students are actually forced to study online, but there is the main problem in case of academic perils are that there is no proper scheduling of class. In most classes, specifically in our colleges, what happened that there was no scheduling of class. Teachers could take class at any point of time. So what happened in offline mode, that there was a regularity and a system of taking classes, but now students are missing that and they are not getting used to it. And secondly, the examination pattern also has some kind of an assignment type. So the evaluation also is not getting correct. And the second thing is the non-academic sense, as some of my other friends has mentioned, that sitting in one place, looking into the mobile phone for constantly affecting our both physical and mental health. And secondly, what I want to add is that in case that the non-academic stuffs, like there were some things in our schools what used to happen, like the sports or some group activities, which are also getting affected. So students are not getting that feel of those non-academic stuff. So with this, I want to discuss on these topics with my friends for the next time. So thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think first round is over for all of us, and now we enter into second round of discussion, which will be there for 10 minutes. Listen to others, give your points, take it forward, and reach some kind of output, some kind of basically consensus or some kind of conclusion, so that in the third round we can conclude. So now I open the house for discussion among all of you.
Hello, friends.
So
I would like
to
start
start
about
the
the health
discussion.
issues that
Actually,
we
I would
associated
like to
with.
start the discussion by telling. As per we know that the technology has been increased the speed of the light, and it has impacted in the education also. And due to this pandemic, we have been doing it partially in online education. And coming to the perils in children, so I feel the lack of education, like the quality of education, is being reduced because the people, they are getting the assignments through online, and they are there will be chance of copying also, and the quality of the education which they get through offline is comparatively different from online. This is one of the
Yes.
damage they are getting.
Yeah, I agree
I will
with
also
I
like to
totally
add
agree
one
on with
point
you.
over there.
I add
I
one
totally
point that
agree
the,
on
We have already
the
exam
online
pattern is
education is
quality
totally
actually
online
education.
pattern.
affected. The online education has
Yeah,
Yeah,
totally
you
affected
mentioned about the
the
quality of education being
quality of
inferior, right?
education,
And
correct.
also we need to think about the health of the student. That can be psychological health and
Yes,
physiological
yes.
health that is
Yes,
affected with the
that is
children.
also a very
You are
valid point. That
viewing a screen continuously for a long time, and that can
Yeah,
damage
agree with
your
you,
eyes
Kaushik.
and cornea. And you are sitting in front of a screen, you are lacking all kind of physical activities. So
Yes,
you're
exactly.
moving to a very
Yes,
sedentary form of
There is no
lifestyle,
physical
and that can
intervention.
also
Yeah.
the doctors have actually recommended to not sit for a long time, for the stretch duration of 2 hours or more, because that affects the spinal cord. And if that damage is caused to the very beginning of the age for a case of a children,
Yes.
that will be very much not
agree on Kaushik point. And one point I added that the academic, the exam is taken online and people are get copy from internet and they pick the answer. The pattern of the exam is
Yeah.
only MCQ type, and they don't know how to what is the knowledge and what is, and they take copying from internet and pick on the
And
paper.
I also
And
yes,
I would like
yes.
to
I want to I want to ask one thing, that this problem that you mentioning, that the examination has become online and this people are copying. This problem can, well, means this problem can be addressed in one way, because previously there was a provision of this open book exam. Means then we can use that open book exam for this kind of scenario and let students perform in open book exam. Means there was a, now the students can, there can be provision of books, right, and the student can access books and write open book exam if possible.
Yeah,
This is
Yeah,
I
that's a
depends
good
on the
point.
government of the school.
agree with you, Saurabh, on that. But we need to think about the children, as it is mentioned, perils for the
Yes.
children. If you think
Yes.
for a very low age group,
Yes.
we at that particular age group, as
Yeah, I
we
agree
were
with you,
studying,
Kaushik.
we needed supervision.
Yes.
In case of the online education, that supervision, that physical supervision
Yeah, I agree with you,
from our
Kaushik.
teachers is absent,
Yeah.
and not
Yeah.
every parent can actually afford that time
Yes,
to give
exactly.
supervision to the children. They
Yeah,
may
and
be
not
working
every
in
And I
parent
would
is
like to,
educated.
yeah. I
yeah,
agree
there
with
is a
Kaushik
lack
point.
of there is a
Many
lack
family
of
in our
feedback.
society do not able to buy laptop or mobile. They have forced
Yes,
parents
exactly.
forced to
Yeah.
That
buy
is
Yes,
quite
this
yes, that's
rare
equipment,
scenario.
and
that's a
Yeah.
good
we are
point.
That is,
the backward class society have forced to
yeah,
buy mobile phone or laptop.
Yes, yes,
They have one type of a burden to buy this thing, and student are forcing, please give me a mobile or laptop so that they continue study.
I agree with
Many
you.
yes,
students
yes. For this
Yeah,
reason
and I
only,
would
that
like
a
to,
lot of
I would
Adding
like
to
students
to,
that
I
are
point,
would like to add
Vaibhav,
a
we can
not
point.
also
involving
say
I
in
would
that
this
like to add a point. I would like
part
to
of
add a
children of
point.
education. No.
particular age group should be
Friends,
restricted from accessing mobile, because the mobile platform actually broadens your exposure to certain elements
Yes,
that
exactly.
that you should not be exposed at that stage.
Yeah.
So you are forcing the
I would
children to
like
come
to,
on online
Kaushik,
platform and
I would,
exposing them prematurely to
I
that
would like
kind
to
of
add a
Yes, yes.
point, like I would like to add a point, like the student and teacher feedback communication is also being reduced. In the online education, we won't get particular
yes.
physical intervention between the student and the teacher. So it reduces the interest of the student in the particular subject and all. So I feel that should be recovered
Yes, means
in the online education.
the
Yeah.
process has become more mechanical than
Yes,
interaction
exactly.
type.
Electronically, it's getting developed. So
Yes,
that the
yes.
communication
So
between
the
yeah.
level of education has really decreased, and for this reason, as Vaibhav has mentioned, that they cannot afford, most of the students, many of the students cannot afford mobiles or these
Yes, yes.
electronic things. So for that reason, many of the students are not getting involved in online education. So I can say that the average level of
Yeah.
education
Adding on to
involvement
that,
is decreased.
Saurabh, I will also like to mention that this online education is only
Yeah. Adding
Yeah.
on to
for
that, I
2
would
years
like to
in this
mention
particular
that
mode. Now, when you go to the offline mode, you will need to
Yes.
transit from that online mode to
Yes,
offline
exactly.
mode. And how much
Yeah.
concepts have you acquired in that online mode, and the level
And
to
I
which
would
you have
like to
acquired
add a
will
point.
play a big role.
Yeah, Kaushik. Yeah, I would like to add a point that in online education, children need to be as per children.
very
Children are
important.
concerned. Yeah, the children are considered, they are not too much particular to the time management.
Yes,
So
yes.
they need to be have some knowledge on the time management, and some they need to be motivated continuously through the process to get a correct output. I feel this is a very relevant point.
I at one point that in the online education, people are stopping video and they are just enjoying after the complete lecture. They just to attend the attendance or something.
Yes,
They
yes,
are
the
not
same.
attending the lecture. They are because of getting marks attendance. They are not attentive throughout their class.
Yes, yes.
That is the
And for
one
government
disadvantage.
schools also, not only students, the teachers are also not being able to use the technology so well as compared to private schools. And the quality of education has also decreased in government schools compared to private schools.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is true. And for teachers
Yes.
of a certain age group, they are not accustomed to using a online
Yeah,
platform,
exactly.
and
Yeah,
therefore the degree to which they can impart the knowledge in offline mode is significantly reduced when it comes to online mode.
Yes, exactly.
That affects
Yes,
the
yes.
teaching
So
and
means
learning of the children.
Yeah, and there are very many cases where students are criticizing or teachers for not doing well. There are many
Yeah.
cases online.
Yeah, it is
Yes.
because of their mental health, mental thinking, because of their depressing towards the online education,
yes.
continuously towards the mobile. They made it like that. Like it is the self property inherited by them, I feel.
Due
Yes,
to
so means we were actually discussing, means we have discussed. So can you now just move to another point in how to actually tackle this situation? Because we are actually, we are going to be conducting in online education, right? Due to the current present
Yes.
situation, it is true. So how
Yes.
can we actually address this problem? I think the best situation, as my one of my friends has mentioned, that students are not getting motivated because they are children. How can they get motivated with this
Yes,
kind of
exactly.
education
Yeah.
system? So
And the type
first of
of
all,
deviations, yeah, the deviations they have, they're playing games and all. They are
yes, yes,
not even
yes,
getting the opportunity to go outside and play to refresh their
yes,
mind.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly. So the
yeah.
motivation
That is
also
the,
they are not getting. So
I
I
added
think
one point
I
due to
think to
online education,
motivate
there is
them, we
the
should
lack
not
of
take long stretch
campus
of
and
classes.
placement.
We should
Like we
actually,
are when
yeah,
we are
Gaurav, I
going to
know your point
the
that
others,
I agree with that your point. Yes, you are not
yes,
lack
getting
yes,
of
the
campus
overall
and
development
placement
as a
is
personality, and that, yeah,
yes.
actually, we'll also like to
our
Because
mention that
personality
the
not good.
online
A
mode of
gathering of
education
the
becomes
student.
completely monotonous, and due to this monotonicity,
yes,
the
yes,
student gets demotivated and bored. I think one solution for that
yeah.
can be limiting the duration of the classes and actually including some kind of activities that can be done through the mobile or
Yeah, exactly.
laptop
yes.
Yeah, I
Means
devices.
the
agree
Exactly.
with
teachers,
Kaushik.
the teachers should be more concerned with this topic, that how they can address this problem, means how they can interact better with the children,
Yeah,
because the
yes, yes,
interaction is
Yes.
the mostly affected thing here. So
yes,
they can actually try with kind of PowerPoint, making PowerPoint
And
presentation,
another
animations,
solution can be we
animations.
can divide the
animations,
class
right?
into smaller batches, because in case of a physical class, you can attend 200 students at a particular time as you are able to see them. But you are
Yes,
seeing just small
Yes, and
windows in the case
right,
of
right.
online education. I think we can divide them into small batches so the level of interaction between the student and teacher increases, and they keep
yes.
on
That is what I told.
learning
Yes,
and
Like, yeah,
motivation.
Yeah,
yes,
the
yeah,
and
human
yeah.
interaction
as
has
we
Yeah,
been
I
are,
agree with
reduced.
Kaushik.
as we are currently doing a group discussion, the students can also do a group discussion between themselves with different topics, and this will also increase their level of interaction with themselves as well as the
And I
teacher.
I,
feel,
I
and
think
actually,
we
I
are
say I would
the
like to add a
saying that
point.
parallel of
Yeah,
online education, and the student who are living in the very remote area, they did not get the online education due to the lack of the
Yes,
internet.
and I think this
yes,
can be removed by one-to-one interaction between student and one, like not only one-to-one, but either a group, like a group of 3 to 4 students can interact the teacher personally, and they can tell their problems so that teacher can rectify in the later earlier stages,
Yeah.
so that they can get motivated and they can do the work passionately. I
Yeah,
feel.
as
yes,
Vaibhav said that there will be
right.
no access to education in remote areas, government has taken initiative to give classes on television like DD Saptagiri. They are actually giving classes on TV so that they don't need to have the access of internet.
Yes, exactly.
And that is a
Yeah.
really good move.
Yeah, the students will
approach
also
should
enjoy
be
because
proactive,
they will not
in
have
nature, because
means t-
particular teachers actually take the online mode of education as just a formality, and as
Yeah.
they lack that certain dynamism to adjust to that environment. So I think the teacher should also proactively interact with the student, and
Yes,
as they
that
were
is the
doing
main
it
Yes.
in
that's the main motive.
offline mode, they should
Students
Yes,
can
continue
yes,
get rid
that.
of this. Yes.
Okay,
In the
I think now we can conclude the discussion. So I start from Saurabh only. Saurabh, please conclude.
Yes, sir.
Who should conclude?
Sir, who should conclude?
Saurabh, I told Saurabh.
Okay, sir.
Or
So the discussion with my friends was very healthy, and we have come up with a lot of positive points. The main perils were discussed as the students are not getting motivated. They are not getting enough source of online education because the net connectivity or accessibility is not good. The teachers also are not actively participating or taking like a formality this online mode. So, and we also discussed how to actually tackle this situation by actually the teachers should make their motive their way by actually making small groups and taking discussion and good interaction between themselves. The government also can take steps and make the easy accessibility of internet connection and this laptop mobile, and also they can actually record, they can actually take class in television so that the students will also enjoy and like the process. So it's a very good discussion and on a very relevant topic, and thank you for this healthy discussion.
Okay, great. Now I think Kaushik, please proceed.
Thank you for this opportunity, my friends, to conclude the discussion. I think we had a very healthy discussion, and many points were highlighted in this. Broadly, the points were based on the perils and how to overcome. As my friend said, the interaction between the student and teacher is lacking. The supervision is nearly absent. The continuously watching and sitting in front of the screen can give rise to health problems concerned with not only the mental health but also the physical health of the children. I think we also discussed very profoundly on the solutions for this problem, which can be such as small batches for the children to increase the level of interaction. The schedules must be not monotonous, and children-friendly schedules should be attended. For the problems of remote location and accessibility, I think television-based classes were suggested by my friend, and the teachers and the students should actually take a proactive approach and take this in a holistic manner to deal with the current situation. With that being said, I would like to conclude. Thank you all.
Okay, Bhargavi.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to conclude this discussion. Really good points came out, and so let me sum it up. We discussed about the perils of online education. We discussed how demotivated children are and how they are lacking time management. We also discussed about how teachers are only teaching like as if it's a responsibility and not really interested in teaching. And not all of the teachers are really able to use the technology, and how children are lacking supervision. We also discussed the sorry.
Okay, that's it, Bhargavi.
No, sir, no, sir. We also discussed the remedies. As Saurav said, we need to have interactive class sessions with if possible, we need to have one-on-one interactions with students. And as Kaushik suggested, we need to have small classes, and we need, apart from classes, we also need to have some activities planned. And as Vaibhav said, remote areas can't have the access of internet. The government took this initiative to play on television, and that's a really good move. With these points, I would like to conclude.
Okay, Ritvik.
Yes, sir. Well, it was a very fruitful discussion, and I would like to sum up by highlighting few points. So firstly, we discussed very various points, and the main, I would like to sum up in the main 3 points. Like, one is the mental health of the student is being continuously deteriorating because of the online education, because not only mental health, the physical health of the student is also deteriorating. And coming to the interaction between the student and teacher, it is also reduced. In this aspect, the student is deviating from the topic. So and I feel there is no social intervention with the other outside people and with their friends, colleagues, and all. So these are the perils which would concluded from this fruitful discussion. I would like to pass on the discussion. Thank you.
Okay, I think Vaibhav, you are left.
Okay, friends, it's my honor to conclude on the behalf of all of you. We have very good discussion. So some of you given a very good point in which I highlighted that the first is the academic absent of academic online students are taking and the online education, online examination, and everyone get passed in this. And the second one is the physical damage to the student. They have continuously watching and listening so that their eyes and ear got damaged and spinal cord got affected, and there is the absence of the interaction between teacher and student, and due to this their personality development not improving, and there is the lack of campus and placement in which student interacted and they got enjoyment in this, and the student who from remote area is not accessible. The economic weak people who are forced to buy mobile or laptop are not able to view this. And thank you.
Okay, so that's this is how it was. Now, let me tell you, whenever a topic is given to you, if you are in position to find out the direction in which discussion is to be done, then largely your work will be over. So please keep yourself mute and I give you feedback. In this topic, peril of the danger. What are the challenges or danger? So friends, the topic for the discussion given is perils of online education for children. So though online education has some advantages also, but the topic given is perils, so we will be discussing more on perils of online education. So let's discuss this entire topic, friends, on two lines. One, what are the various perils and why these perils are there? And these two will be almost synchronized, these two domains. So why are the perils and what are the perils? This is what we should discuss. Now, why these perils are there? Why online education is not very much fruitful for students, children especially? I will divide this entire discussion into three broad categories, three heads. One is problem on the part of education delivery people like teachers and non-teaching staff which is involved in providing the online education to children. So what are the problems associated with them? That is one part. Second is infrastructure. I mean, what kind of infrastructure do we lack and what infrastructure is required? That includes various things like internet, laptop, mobile, and this kind of hardware and software part. Third is health issues related to children and attention span, health issues, psychological issues, mental issues, physical issues, everything. So friends, I think we should discuss this entire online education and its problem associated on these three lines. Those who are providing education, what is the trouble on their part? Those who are having the education, children, what are the problems on their part? Third is the interface. I mean, from teacher to student, what is required? I mean, do we have better internet connectivity? Do we have laptop? Do we have good things? I mean, screens like the screen intensity and all. Do we have those things? So, ये मेरे को लगता है this could have been the best category of classification of this particular topic, and this is a very very important topic, and it can be asked in one format or other. अभी जो भी तुमने तीन हेड बनाए, जब बॉडी स्टार्ट होगा तो स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग दैट. टीचर्स एंड डिलीवरी पार्ट, उसमें टीचर का ट्रेनिंग. आर टीचर ट्रेन फॉर ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन? डू दे नो हाउ टू मेक पीपीटीज? डू दे नो हाउ टू ब्रिंग ऑडियो विजुअल थिंग्स? एंड ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है अटेंशन स्पैन. अगर टीचर कैपेबल नहीं है, ये ट्रेंड नहीं है, ट्रेनिंग इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, हैव वी ट्रेन्ड द टीचर्स, एंड अगर टीचर ट्रेंड नहीं है और उसको वो चीज नहीं आपने दिया है तो शायद वो डिलीवरी अच्छी ना कर पाए. Does he know how to make PPTs and does he know how to provide these things and वो सारी की सारी चीज उसके पास है, और उसके पास इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी उसके पार्ट पे है या नहीं. तो टीचर के पार्ट पे जो और नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ के पार्ट पे जो चीज चाहिए, फॉलो अप लेना पड़ता है, रेगुलरली फॉलो अप लेना पड़ता है, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. Like your PDA is providing you online education in one format or other, but there are so many things involved. I mean, sending you right time पे right information, WhatsApp पे मैसेज डालना कि हम आज GD कर सकते हैं, फिर GD स्टार्ट होता है, फिर GD का हम अपलोड कर देते हैं इंटरनेट पे. अब सोचो कोई भी चीज मिस हो जाए, सपोज मैंने GD किया लेकिन मैंने इसको अपलोड नहीं किया, आप इसको देख नहीं पा रहे हो, तो ये जो मैं सारे के सारा आपको फीडबैक दे रहा हूँ, यू कैन नॉट लिसन टू दिस एंड यू विल नॉट बी इन पोजिशन टू डिलीवरी. एज अ टीचर मेरे पार्ट पे इंटरनेट नहीं है, मेरे पार्ट पे इंटरनेट फैसिलिटी नहीं है, अगेन इट ब्लॉक्स. एज अ टीचर आई एम नॉट ट्रेन्ड टू गिव यू दिस, इट डज नॉट वर्क. So this is on my part. Now second comes infrastructure part. Infrastructure part means बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स के पास, जैसे मैंने तो वाईफाई लगवा रखा है क्योंकि मेरे को सवेरे से शाम तक के काम करना है. फॉर मी इट इज अ प्रोफेशनल रिक्वायरमेंट, बट फॉर स्टूडेंट इट इज नॉट प्रोफेशनल रिक्वायरमेंट. दे विल नॉट पुट वाईफाई फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग, so they will have limited internet accessibility. उस लिमिटेड में कितना सीख सकते हैं, तो इंटरनेट बंद हो जाएगा. एंड सेकंड, सम पीपल स्टूडेंट्स हैव लैपटॉप, सम डू नॉट हैव लैपटॉप, सम हैव मोबाइल फोन. सो किसी का मोबाइल फोन भी काम नहीं कर रहा है, कनेक्टिविटी नहीं पहुंची है इंडिया के अंदर अभी सब जगह, तो ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की प्रॉब्लम है. तीसरी प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम. अब हेल्थ की प्रॉब्लम टीचर को भी है, स्टूडेंट को भी है. अगर मैं पूरा दिन यहाँ पे बैठा रहूंगा, एंड दिस स्पेक्ट्स वर नॉट देयर 2 years बैक, दिस इज द गिफ्ट कोविड ब्रॉट टू मी. एक्चुअली आई टेल यू ऑनेस्टली, स्पेक्ट्स लग गया. व्हाई? बिकॉज हमेशा इस पे करोगे. ऑफलाइन क्लास में हैड देयर बीन ऑफलाइन क्लासेस, आई वुड हैव लेट सम मोर young age without aspects for 2-3 more years, but now because of this this is the professional hazard I am having. So health पे issue आ रहा है, बैठे रहते हैं, जैसे अभी मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ और ये शाम तक बैठे रहेंगे. So what I do is like in my room, the moment I get 15 minutes I start doing exercise or something. लेकिन बच्चे वो भी नहीं करते हैं, बैठे रहेंगे, ओबेसिटी आ जाएगी खाने का, और all these things are coming. तो ये 3 हेड पे हमें डिस्कस करना है. तो अंडरस्टैंड द 3 हेड्स: टीचर्स, डिलीवरी पीपल, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पॉइंट एंड चिल्ड्रन. किसी ना किसी फॉर्मेट में GD आएगा, तो तुम लोग उसको इस डायरेक्शन में डिवाइड करना. नाउ कमिंग टू योर पार्ट, कौशिक स्टार्टेड वेरी वेल, लेकिन कौशिक के टाइम पे कनेक्टिविटी का इशू आ रहा था, मैं सुन नहीं पाया. इसने 3 हेड्स में डिवाइड किया इसको, इसने हेल्थ और फिजियोलॉजी में डिवाइड किया. बाकी 2 और पॉइंट थे जो मैं सुन नहीं पाया. कौशिक, व्हाट वर द 3 classifications you gave?
The first one was health issues associated with the online education mode, the educational challenges that is faced, and the access to the online platforms.
हाँ, तो मतलब 2 पॉइंट तो वही है,
हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर एसोसिएटेड विद.
हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर हो गया और हेल्थ इश्यूज हो गया. तीसरा मेरे ख्याल से डिलीवरी वाला हो सकता है जो सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, उसके पार्ट पे इशू. और इन तीनों की वजह से वाई पैरल, दीज आर वाई पैरल्स. मतलब प्रॉब्लम है क्या, दीज आर द रीजन ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. अब प्रॉब्लम्स क्या हैं, कौन सी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं? बच्चों को लर्निंग नहीं होगा, अगर टीचर ट्रेन नहीं है तो बच्चे को समझ नहीं आएगा, अटेंशन स्पैन नहीं बनेगा, हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा, साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा, पीयर ग्रुप नहीं है, सोशलाइजेशन नहीं हो पाएगा, वो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. व्हाट आर द पेरिल्स, वो चीज हो जाएगी. व्हाई आर द पेरिल्स, ये तुम लोगों ने जो डिस्कशन किया है, व्हाई आर द पेरिल्स, ये चीज है. देखो, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एंड कोविड, ये सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स हैं 2 आजकल GD के, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एंड कोविड. इससे रिलेटेड सारी तरह के टॉपिक्स यू प्लीज रिवाइज, हर तरह का टॉपिक्स. ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज वो अलग टॉपिक हो जाएगा, एडवांटेज ऑफ ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन वो अलग टॉपिक हो जाएगा. सो हर टॉपिक को मेटिकुलसली आप करें. फिर वेबअप ने स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन वेबअप ने क्लासिफिकेशन नहीं किया और वेबअप ने डायरेक्टली बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया व्हाट आर द पेरिल्स. व्हाट आर द पेरिल्स, वेबअप ने इसके ऊपर डिस्कशन करना स्टार्ट कर दिया इंट्रोडक्शन में. कौशिक, योर कंक्लूजन वाज गुड, कंक्लूजन यू डिड टुडे वाज गुड. आप उसमें से बोल के पढ़ के बोल रहे थे, एंड यू आर रेडी फॉर द GD. लेकिन जब तक एक्चुअल में GD नहीं हो जाता, प्रैक्टिस कम मत करना, क्योंकि होता क्या है कि अगर तुम GD मैंने बोल दिया नहीं ठीक है, यू आर रेडी फॉर नेट, अब तुम चले गए और 15-20 दिन नहीं किया तो लेवल दोबारा गिर जाता है. प्रैक्टिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. नो, वेबअप ने कंटिन्यू वो बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया कि व्हाट आर द पेरिल्स. उसने बोला कि कंटिन्यूअसली आईज ईयर्स पे इंपैक्ट होता है, सिटिंग पोस्चर में बैठे रहेंगे, तो दीज वर व्हाट आर द पेरिल्स वेबअप. एंड आपने उसको एक डायमेंशन नहीं बताया, क्लासिफिकेशन नहीं किया वेबअप. यू डिड नॉट मेक द क्लासिफिकेशन. एंड जैसे यस्टरडे यू वर आस्किंग मी के क्लासिफिकेशन क्या होगी पता कैसे चलेगा, हाउ टू डिवाइड इट. Now you guys have started making a division, like Kaushik ne almost made the same division which I made. So you people have started making the division and others also made the division. So now you have started making the classification. So introduction is very much structured, you know, even conclusion is a structured thing. कि इंट्रोडक्शन में कुछ लाइनें सेम बोलनी है, बीच में क्लासिफिकेशन उठाना है और ओपन कर देना है सो दैट बाकी लोग उसमें बोलें. फिर जब आपने ओपन कर दिए, फिर आपने इंट्रोडक्शन किया, तो थोड़ी देर बाद आप दोबारा बीच में आए और आपने उन्हीं चीजों को प्लग करना स्टार्ट कर दिया. फिर कंक्लूजन में आप गए तो आपने बोला कि सी दीज वर द क्लासिफिकेशन एंड लार्जली वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अंडर दीज 3 हेडिंग्स, सो दीज वर द पॉइंट्स. आपका हो गया बस वो. तो आइडेंटिफाई करना है बस डिवीजन. डिवीजन आइडेंटिफाई हो गया, उसके बाद इट इज अ केक वॉक फॉर यू. तो वेब वो क्लासिफिकेशन वाला पार्ट आपने करना है. And Weber try to enter as many times as possible in the body. As many times as possible you try to enter in the body, and Weber try to snatch the introduction and conclusion. तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा पुश करना है वेब इंट्रोडक्शन को स्नैच करने के लिए, और वो 4-5 लाइंस रट लो सो दैट आपकी फ्लुएंसी आ जाए वेब उसमें इंट्रोडक्शन में. Bhargavi said on 3 heads. One is health, other 2 I could not listen. Bhargavi, what were the 3 heads you mentioned?
The second one is about mental behavior, so how it is impacting the children, and the third one is lab equipment and infrastructure types.
Education lab. आपने हेल्थ और वो बच्चे की प्रॉब्लम बता दी जो मैंने एक हेडिंग बताया, बच्चे के पार्ट पे इश्यूज, 3 हेड्स. और दूसरा आपने बता दिया इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर.
Yes,
और
lab.
तीसरा आप जो मिस कर गए, जो एजुकेशन सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, वो तीसरा पार्ट मिस कर गया. So I think you should divide it in that part. And Bhargavi, make it a point that you enter again and again in GD. First 5-6 minutes you do not enter at all. That is not good. You should make your presence feel. Try to enter even with words. Okay, right, I agree, I don't agree. चाहे words के साथ enter कर जाओ, but you should try to enter.
Okay.
Ritvik snatched the second part, and beach वाले में part में Ritvik could enter, and he talked about mental and physical health and all. Ritvik, what was the classification you gave? I could not understand that. Please unmute yourself, Ritvik. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. The student feedback with the teacher, that is being limited, and motivation for the student, self-motivation for the student, and time management from the parents or their friends. Another thing is no social life, sir. Social interaction with them.
They all are parallels, लेकिन वो classification नहीं है. ये जो आपने introduction में points बोले, they were more for body but not for introduction.
Okay.
Try to think of broad classification, right? Headings क्या? जैसे if you are writing essay, first thing should be what are the headings. पहले पेज पे this is what I'm going to write. Second page पे this is the heading. Third page पे this is the heading. Introduction, these are the 3 headings, and then conclusion. So that is a broad structure. After that, you keep on putting as many things as possible inside, but heading has to be first introduction. And last, mein Saurav could make a classification which was academic and non-academic. That is what he said. Academic means everything related to curriculum, and non-academic means related to sports and culture. So this was what are the perils? What are the perils? What are the disadvantages? So academic mein limited to curriculum of the school, and what are the perils? Non-academic, sports and culture. But then you need to see sort of whether health issues and teachers point and all these things come into that or not, because they are related. So the classification you gave was comprehensive in the sense either it will be academic problem or non-academic problem, understood. But then you have to include other things also into that, like infrastructure that comes neither in academic nor in non-academic. Teacher training, so those kind of things. So when you make a classification, make it a point that entire topic should be covered into that. This is something which is very important. Saurabh, fine?
Sir, can you tell me what are the 3 heads once?
Yeah, so 3 heads are very clear.
Which you classified?
Okay, now let me repeat once again. So friends, the topic given is perils of online education for children. No doubt online education has advantage also, disadvantage also, but the topic is disadvantage. Topic is problem associated with online for children. So friends, we will discuss this topic in 2 broad categories. Number 1, what are the perils and why are the perils? What are the perils and why are the perils? Now, what are the perils will be covered inside why are the perils. Why are the problems? If we cover that, what are the problems will automatically come in that. Now, why are the perils will be divided into 3 categories. Why are the problems? That can be divided into 3 categories. Number 1, problems associated with education service provider, teacher and non-teaching staff. education service provided to children, teacher and non-teaching staff. That includes even school. Second comes is infrastructure. And when we talk about infrastructure, that comes internet connectivity, hardware part like laptop, mobile, everything, and cost associated. Third comes is children part.
Sir, okay.
So please unmute yourself.
Am I connected now back?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Three part I told you is teacher, non-teaching, in which training part of teacher, PPT part of teacher, and their hardware and software available on their part, वो सब कुछ आ जाएगा उसमें. Teacher trained है कि नहीं? दूसरा part आ जाएगा infrastructure,
Sir,
hardware, software.
sir, you were telling first one. Sir, first part was problem associated with educational service provider and teacher and non-teaching staff. The second one, then your connection went off. Sir.
Second one was infrastructure, hardware and software available. Infrastructure, internet आ जाएगा उसके अंदर, internet की speed आ जाएगी उसके अंदर लैपटॉप अवेलेबिलिटी, मोबाइल अवेलेबिलिटी, वो सारी जो इंटरफेस है. द राइट वर्ड इज इंटरफेस. देयर इज अ स्टूडेंट, देयर इज अ टीचर एंड इंटरफेस, इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी. अभी जैसे तुम लोग बैठे हो, मैं टीचर ट्रेंड हूं, तुम लोग स्टूडेंट भी अवेलेबल हो, लेकिन अभी जो प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है इस टाइम पे, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है? इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. मेरे पास वाईफाई भी है, सब कुछ है, कई बार लाइट चला जाएगा, कई बार वाईफाई चला जाएगा, सब ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का इशू है. यू नो, आई एम हैविंग 2 Wi-Fi at my place and I am having 2 mobile which give me data. Even then, this is the problem coming. So you understand the actual situation. That is
Sir, actually, sir, the topic given to us is perils in online for online education in children, right?
Yes.
So why this infrastructure and all will come in the matter?
So
sir?
children will not have
about,
internet if the internet is
will-
not there.
we need to concentrate on the children, right, sir? We need to concentrate on the children.
That
But
is
we
what
are
I'm
talking
saying.
about broadly, we are classifying teachers and also we are talking.
Now you think of if children पढ़ाते पढ़ाते डिस्कनेक्ट हो गए इंटरनेट, तो चिल्ड्रन का टेंशन स्पेन तो वैसे कम होता है, वो तो भाग जाएगा.
Okay, sir.
तुम लोग तो फिर
Okay.
बैठे हुए हो, चिल्ड्रन नहीं बैठेगा तो भाग जाएगा.
हाँ,
And
sir.
this problem, you don't have kids, I have kids, I am facing this problem.
Sir.
उनको बिठाना is so difficult. They say no, it's gone, no I'm going. Then again
Okay.
internet comes, mother is ensuring internet, and now sit, again you sit, you run away.
Yes.
So that is the issue actually I'm facing. So
Okay,
that is the internet. And third is health issues and attention span. Health issues में सारा आ जाएगा, eyes, ears, you understand? So everything will come children के part पे. एक जगह बैठे रहना, प्लेग्राउंड में नहीं जाना. एंड ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन एज ऑफ नाउ इज नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन स्पोर्ट्स, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, वो नहीं कर रहा है. इज लार्जली करिकुलम पार्ट. ऑनलाइन पे मैं उसको एक्सरसाइज भी कई स्कूल करवाने की ट्राई करवा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज, लेकिन चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट डूइंग दैट. इट इज डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज टीचर इज ऑल्सो नॉट ट्रेन्ड एंड स्टूडेंट्स.
Communication, lack of communication.
इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इसको रिवाइज कर लेना. आई एम अपलोडिंग इट ऑन यूट्यूब. फाइन, ओके, थैंक यू.
Thank you.